Hello, my dear friends. This is Suleiman, and we are talking today about computer programming languages. This topic will change your life. Please concentrate on my words because I am not showing you any written material. I am just delivering a lecture for you. This is the introduction, and it covers full ocean of words, topics, and very important material that will make you professional programmer. So listen to each and every word that I am delivering in front of you. So friends, the first thing is programmer, that is you and me, and we both are going to create a software that will change how a human brain work with relation to a machine. I am telling you this today. You are acting as a god, and you are going to give one new creature in this world. And already we are seeing so many things emerging with the help of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and there will be a time where your software, which you are going to develop now, will act as a mediator, a bridge between the machines and human beings. So get ready for the real matrix. So programming languages is not hard enough to master. You can master it with two very important ingredients if you have inside your brain. One is logic and the second is art of algorithms. With logic and art of algorithms, you will design perfectly working softwares. So the first question is, what is logic? My dear boy, for logic there is no logic. That is the logic. And algorithms, a way, a approach to solve a given problem with logic. Logic usually involves numerical systems, that is mathematics. So there is no need for you to be a master in mathematics. Only thing you require is you should know 2 plus 2 is not equal to 5, it is equal to 4. That's all. So if you know this much of mathematics, definitely your programming going to rock. So programming languages, and you as a programmer, how you going to code the program. So selection of the programming languages are there. Before that, what are the requirements today world is posing in front of you? Now artificial intelligence is the hot cake. Virtual reality, machine learning, cloud computing, these keep on emerging technologies. So the first thing is come to basic. A set of instruction, a group of instruction, a collection of instructions performing a particular job, task or work is called program. The tool which interact or communicate with the machine with instructions to accomplish a job, work, task is called as programming language. Programming languages comes along with translators. usually referred as compiler and interpreter. So, without going in depth with them, we will talk about programming languages. So, programming languages are communication languages, exactly as English, Telugu, Arabic, Sanskrit. They are the communication languages with which human beings interacts. So there are languages. We will concentrate on the fundamental, basic programming languages such as C, C++, Java, and then we apply data structures and algorithms so that you will become a perfect professional programmer. So mastering these things will be easy. So welcome to the Programming Black Hole YouTube channel. I once again welcome you. Suleiman here. So subscribe to my channel and understand what they are.